How to make slow motion video in CapCut. Hello everyone, let's create some slow motion videos using the CapCut editing application. If you have ever wanted to add a cinematic look to your videos, you're in the right place. Whether you want to slow down the entire video for a dreamy effect or selectively emphasize specific moments, first of all, open the CapCut application and create a new project by adding the video you want to slow down. Once the video is added, select it in the timeline. You'll see a variety of the tools at the bottom. Choose the speed tool, which will present you with two options, normal and curve. For beginners, the normal option is a good start. It opens a speed slider that allows you to linearly slow down the video. You can set this to 0.5 or 0.3 or even slower. Alternatively, you can choose the curve option, which provides more control over the slow motion effect and keyframes. When you select the curve option, you gain the ability to customize the slow motion. By sliding the keyframes, you can slow down the different parts of the videos to different degrees. You can even add more keyframes to further customize the speed. Once you are satisfied with your adjustments, you can easily export or save the video to the photo gallery. These are the two different ways to slow down videos in CapCut app and enhance your edits with a cool and cinematic touch. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.